What's up guys, in today's lesson we are going to speak about charging circuit. Our lesson goal, how to solve a charging issue just like a BroTech. Okay, forgot about beginner solution because I don't like it. Okay, this is the most common issue you are going to get in your store, a charging issue. So please deal with this as a pro one. I forgot about all kinds of beginner solution. So this is the ultimate way to deal with all charging circuits problem. Starting from small to big, exactly as I told you in the power issue, we are going to do the same in the charging issue. We are going to start from the small to the big. Okay, make sure that you are using the original charger. So firstly, when the customer come to you, use original charger while you are testing this charging area. Okay, test another battery, just test another battery because maybe this battery is the issue, or try to make it the test with the power supply. Take the battery, remove it away, and make an no. Test another battery. Maybe this battery isn't accepting the charging anymore, so we need to add another battery and test with another battery. USB connector may be not working, and this is, we can know this USB connector may be not working, and this is usual because adding the USB a lot inside this area, and you can see this by your eyes. You will know once you see the connector by your eyes that this USB connector is not working. Diode measure on a battery connector, this is your first step, and we have a big diode measure episode. We are speaking about this in details. Okay, component can be the reasons. Capacitor or coil, Zener diode, MOSFET, BSI, SWE, NTC, B-temp, charger IC, all of this can be the issue. So we are going to use a follow-up measure, but we don't need to inject the root with 5 volt. Use a follow-up measure, but we need to inject the root with 5 volts by power supply. Then measure a voltage on each component in the root, which means we need to connect the power supply to phone, okay, like a battery itself to this phone, and we will get the multimeter itself, and we are going to measure a component by component. We are going in this way. If you need to use this way, we need to use the schematics. A schematic is must here. Open the schematic, go to the charging circuit and change and check which parts of this exactly have every volt. Like this one will carry like 2.2 volt. Where is this exactly, and where is this exactly? And you are going to follow by the schematic itself and go to check one by one the volt on one by one, and everything is gonna be fine. The component that you will not get a volt on it, it means that this component just still the volt. So this component is not working. Just remove it from the board and just replace it. Note, no charge. There is a note for ya. If you find no charge, so the problem on series, there is a cut on line here. If there is no charge to the phone, if there is a fake charge or high usage, so the problem here will be on parallel. There is a capacitor installed the volt here. So this is so important note. If there is no charge, go directly to on series. If there is a stall in charge or a fake charge, go to components on parallel. Okay, that's related to the charging circuit. How it works on Android, as you can see here, a connector give to a capacitor go to the MOSFET send it to Tigris, and Tigris just send to BMU, and BMU go to VBH power, which already give the all components on board. Okay, this is how it works. This is how it works directly on the Android. And I forgot to tell you that this MOSFET just to tell the CPU that everything is going fine, and it just show the percentage of the battery itself. Okay, this is how it work on the Android itself. How it work on the iPhone itself, okay, 5 volt, it just go on capacitor, coil, Zener diode, it just go directly to the MOSFET. Is it good to charge? Yes, it's a good charge. So pass the volt to the TriStar. TriStar will pass it to Tigris. Tigris is the IC charger. Tigris will go to the CPU and IC power, and everything is gonna be fine. Okay, this is how it works on Android and on iPhone. It's so easy. As I told you, we are going to master the Android and iPhone together. No worries at all. You are in the CPU Academy hands. You don't have to be worried at all in this job. Thank you for watching. See you in next lecture.